How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. So it is officially Tuesday, and that means another edition of Try It Tuesday that I do with the wonderful Jeannie over at Unfiltered 50s, and of course my other pal Jessica over at Makeup with Jessica Vargas. We get together each week and we bring you guys some different tips, tricks, ideas, hacks, or different things that we're going to try out for the first time, or something a little older or dated that we pull out and try something new with. And that's what Try It Tuesday is. Now, this week, I am doing something with winged eyeliner. Now, if you've been to my channel before, you've probably heard me mention that I suck at doing winged liner on my eyes. Primarily because I do have hooded eyes. In addition to that, I've got aging eyes. So it does make it a little more challenging or difficult for those of us that are not only blessed with hooded eyelids, but also when you get a little more up there in age, that does create an additional challenge. But I've seen a couple different tricks and hacks, and I'm going to give them a try and see how they work out. And maybe it's something that'll help you out in the future. So if that's something that interests you, I would love it if you stuck around and see me go at it trying or attempting this winged liner hack. And of course, you could always smash the subscribe button as a little added bonus for me because I'd really appreciate it. Okay, let's get straight to the eyeliner and see how we can pull this off. Okay, so as you can see, I've pretty much done most of my makeup today. The only thing I have not completed is my mascara and eyeliner. And as I mentioned, we're attempting a wing, but this wing is specifically for hooded eyes and mature eyes. Now, as you can see, I'll try to relax my lids. I definitely have hooded eyes. I know, I am like such a dork. I'm very expressive and my eyebrows are always up and down. So it's very hard for me to relax this and while I'm talking. Anyway, okay, so we've got the hood. But then of course, you know, Mama's got aging eyes. So we've got, you know, some wrinkles and extra sagging. That is no fun. So, you know, between YouTube and TikTok and all the stuff that's out there, I've tried a lot of different ways to do a wing on my eyes, and I just suck at it. I really do. But I did find a new way to do it. And we're going to attempt that. Now, a big thing I have found, if you're not used to doing a wing with a liquid liner, if you're going to try it, try to get a good felt tip liner that is, I almost want to say beginner friendly. Because I've actually had a hard time finding that. And I find the Hank and Henry their Blickety Black liner. They also have the same liner in blue, and they just released a brown. So here is the Hank and Henry liner. These are very, very user-friendly and beginner-friendly felt tip liners. It looks like your average felt tip, but for whatever reason, it gives you like a little bit more control. At least me anyway. And actually, I think these are on sale on their website, or maybe the bundle. They've got a bundle on the Hank and Henry website. And in addition to that, y'all, I've got a referral link for Hank and Henry down below that'll get you like $10 off your first order through Hank and Henry. So I think these liners are like $15, which is a really good price already. But if you use the discount code, my referral link, you get it for $5. Okay. Anyway, let's get to it and attempt to do this liner. And like you said, I'd love to credit somebody for doing this, but I've seen this in several different places, so it's really not like one specific person that does this technique. I've seen it through several different people, not just on YouTube, but also on TikTok. So I would credit somebody, but I can't credit 50 people. So, just saying. Okay, so this is how we do it. I'm going to try to do it without my magnified mirror, which is hard. Now, what you need to do, the instructions say relax your eye and keep your eyelid completely relaxed when you initially go to apply this liner. And make sure that this area of your eye right here is completely relaxed. You can tip your head back a tad if that helps, but whatever you do, do not raise your eyebrows. Like, okay, yeah, so like traditionally in doing an eyeliner, I was always taught to either stretch or pull and, you know, kind of do it that way. This technique, no. Okay? We're relaxed. Then, you start in the outer corner of your eye, and there I go again, raising my eyebrows while I talk. Okay, relax. Tip back a little bit. And what you're going to do is start in the corner of your eye, and you're going to draw up. And you're going to very lightly disregard the fold in your eyelid. Just kind of draw the line right over it. Okay, so that's line number 1, right? Now you're going to draw from the outside in over the crease in your lid and drag it onto your eyelid, keeping your eyelid relaxed. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've got it, right? Now watch when I raise my eyebrow. Look at how it's angled. Okay, so that's how your actual wing is going to look. Like, I think they call it a bat wing or something. Anyway, you want to now fill that in. And I need magnified mirror because my eyes, my vision sucks so bad. Fill in this area here. And obviously, I need to straighten that line out. So we're just filling that in. And then you want to just draw on your lid, however thick or however thick you want the lid line. In addition to that, however far in you want that line to go. Now, me personally, I don't draw my eyeliner all the way down to this inside corner of my eye. I only bring it about halfway. But you definitely want to keep that line as close to your the freaking ding dong, lash line as possible. And then thicken it from there. Okay, so obviously it's kind of a funky shape, right? But as soon as you relax your lid, it looks like a normal flicking. What is with my talking today? It looks like a normal wing. That's really cool. It's actually working. A lot of times I can't get these frickin' hacks to work for me, but this actually worked. So again, you know, you're not going to walk around with your eyelid raised like this so that everyone can see the different shape. No one's really ever going to notice that because obviously we just walk around with our lids normal. So it freaking works. Let me do the other eye and see if I can make it even, because that's my other thing I suck at. I flippin' did it. Okay, I mean, they're a little cockeyed, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm impressed. I really am. Now I'm going to just add some black into my waterline just to kind of make it a little more dramatic. Alrighty. And we're going to finish off with mascara and see the completed look. Okay, look at Mama did flippin' winged eyeliner. This is pretty cool. You've got to try this. It was actually easier than I thought it was going to be, and I'm definitely not used to seeing my eyes with a wing on it, but I could see myself doing this more often now, especially with the different colored eyeliners and stuff. Up until now, I wasn't able to do a wing in any way that looked decent on my lids, but I'm actually really kind of like this. What do y'all think? This is super cool. Okay, that's it. Leave down in the comments your thoughts, and also, have you tried this? Did it work for you? This is really cool. And either that, or are you gonna try it? If so, let me know how it works out for you. I am super excited now that I actually found a way to do a wing on these lids. Ugh. Anyway, thank you guys as always for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit during another one of my videos. I've got a bunch more stuff coming. I got a little behind on recording, so yeah. But anyway, so thank you guys. Love you bunches. Mwah. Again, let me know if you try this and how it works out. Love you guys. I will talk to y'all soon and see you in the next video. Bye.